Back again with another reaction. Today's video, NONA. NONA fans, we're in the building. We here. Yo, people in the comments was like, yo, bro, you gotta react to this. The dance routine video, the dance video. So I'm like, all right, bet, I got you. So this is the dance to the song called HONK. Fire song, phenomenal party banger, club bouncer. I can hear it in the clubs, I'm not gonna lie to you. So this is the dance video of HONK. HONK. And yeah. So before we get into this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Please do it now. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I drop another banger. Please forgive me, still under the weather, so my voice sounds a little crazy. But we're gonna get through this. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please do it. Do it now. If you see that hype button, please hit it. Please hit it. Helps your body a lot. And get your snacks and drinks. Head to the couch and watch this video with your boy. Let's go. That's fire on the bus. That's dope. Sassy. Okay.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, posted. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go.
Let's go.
Get on the HONK.
Killing that.
Get on the HONK.
That's fire.
Get on the HONK. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Got that junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always got my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. NONA on the license plate. Kaka I get jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all.
The vocals is crazy. It's crazy. Listen. This is like a whole nother video to me. This joint is crazy good. Like, it's like we got the 2-for-1, you feel me? Like, they gave us the actual video, but this, to me, this is a whole nother video. Like, this is fire. It's fire. Listen, y'all already know, when I pause a video, I mean, I like it. So when I like something, I do something to the video. And I gotta spin the block on NONA on this this dance video. This joint is fire. Yeah, we doing this. This is crazy good, yo. Excuse me, I'm sorry.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, posted. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go. Get on the HONK.
Let's go.
Get on the HONK. Get on the HONK. Wheels on the bus go
This is not a dance video. This is the actual new video. This is good. They killing it. The dance is fucking fire. Like, the song is fire. Like, the song, man, listen. I'm gonna stop talking.
And we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face, and I always got my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. NONA on your license plate. Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long. Get on the encore.
You hear them harmonizing. I gotta hear that harmonizing part. Get it. That's fine. The way they harmonize to that shit. It's like a chant. Nona's in the building. Nona's in the building. They gave 2 different visuals, man. That is crazy. That is crazy. That was good. It was good. So with that being said, Nona's in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please do it. Do it now. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I drop another banger. If you see that hype button, please be generous and nice. Hit that button for your boy. Helps me out. Thumbs up. Share the video. Helps me out. Hey, listen. I just can't. I can't stress and express more. I love y'all, because if it ain't and it wasn't for you guys liking what I do, appreciate what I do, I wouldn't be doing this, man. I wouldn't be. Listen, love, peace, good vibes is always over here on this channel. To my peoples and my pillars, I love all, man. Y'all already know what to do, man. Peel out. Ugh.